What's up? I got one of the bays. Yes. If you don't know, let's open it. I finally found a camera stand, so I don't gotta use my cheap ass iPad anymore. It is L Drago. I really want the Mirage Attack one. So we're gonna open this up really quick. Okay, here's my knife. You two don't see me because I pulled out a knife. I ain't gonna stab anyone. The thing is, I gotta put on all the stickers, so that's gonna be fun. Fuck, I ruined the box. I tried not to ruin it, but I'm gonna keep it anyways. Dude, my friend was crashing out in Bane earlier. It's fucking hilarious. Yeah, I do Bane also. That's why I can't do videos all the time. God damn it. I can do it from the bottom. Okay, I do got a left spin launcher on hand. I do need to get a new stadium because mine has a big dent in it and it's not good for battles. And I'll give away the code too, so you all lucky. Try and make sure I don't cut. Here. Here's this. Okay, I don't know which one. Good. I thought I was going to get Fox Rush today, but that one doesn't come until September, which I don't care. I just want L Drago the most. If I don't get a prize bait of Fox Rush, I can just get the Hasbro version off of Amazon. Okay. Okay, so I ain't going to open up the blade yet. Okay, here's the 160, looks really good. See the flat? This is my first Metal Fight crossover, so this is nice. The flat bit. Now the main thing everyone cares about, the blade. Okay, please be Mirage Attack mode. Yes, I got the one I wanted. Let's go, guys. Whew, this thing looks so good. Now for the pain in the ass, the stickers. This is gonna be fun. You're all lucky because you get to watch me put on the stickers. That'll be nice. There. Done. This was a pain in the butt, but I got the one I wanted. Yippee. And let me put the parts together. Okay, so this is the original, I think it's the Hasbro version. Actually, hold on. So it looks like. One second. I'm making a YouTube video. But anyways, this is the comparison of the different L Drago bays. The OG and the X one. Okay, I'm back. I had to do something really quick, but yeah. I've been wanting an L Drago for a while. I got the original Metal Fight one, and I got the new X one. Oh, hold on. Here's the code. Because I don't use the Beyblade X app. Okay, let's do a little test spin on the... no, L Drago. Okay. I didn't realize it. No. Okay, so let's do a quick battle. Let's do that. Well, L Drago versus Impact Drake. They just very similar, except for spin direction. Just remember, this sucks right now. Sorry, I don't have a scale yet, so I can't really measure the height. Also, now I'll show you this. I do got whale wave now. Yippee! We got a few new bays without showing, and I get too lazy to make videos. But I do got a goal circle. Yay! I got a lot of the prize bays. Let's see the. Okay. Okay, so we're just gonna start the battles in 3, 2, 1. Okay, I got the stadium. Let's do a quick test launch with Impact Drake. L Drago. Finally, I got a second actual official left spin. Besides Hell's Hammer. Because Hell's Hammer is actually just right and they just fucked up. Okay, so let's do a few battles. I can do it over here, so it makes my light on. Bye. No, I'll be fine. I gotta grab my launcher. Oh, fuckers. Okay. Yeah. 3, 2, 1. The bait likes to fall off a lot, I can tell. Dang. First loss. First battle was the first loss. I'm not gonna count that because I kinda did a weak ass launch, too. Dang, that did. Dang. Please, I just want L Drago to win the battle. Let's do. Gotta move along my base down though. Hold on. Okay, next is Dragon versus Impact. I nailed Drago. Yes! You're the true antagonist. Let's do a middle fight battle, which is Perseus Dog versus L Drago. Now you gotta get Leon and Pegasus somehow. Yeah, Perseus. Is it just me or does Perseus Dog just burst so easily? Is that just with me? It just bursts too easy. Okay, next let's do let's do Tyranno Beat because we got Quake Bit and it's close to middle fight. Try to do some middle fight battles, you know. Maybe I should launch L Drago first. Okay, next is Samurai Saber. This one I can actually launch first. And I'm eating, I think I always said, but I'm eating while I'm doing this. Yes, L Drago! None of the stickers fallen off yet. Let's go. Now, I gotta show this to one of my Bane teachers, or my Bane teacher's brother at school, because he used to play with the middle fight bays. And I bet he'll love to see L Drago. Next, let's do Shinobi Shadow. Oh, I really gotta beat that. Yes! Next is Drawn Brave. Oh, Drago, come on!
Yes.
Next, let's do Whale Wave. The first battle is gonna be on my YouTube.
Oh, Drago. Yes, my child.
Now you can see why Middle Fight was so fun back then. Next, let's do Go Circle. Actually, I have to do Tilt Launcher because it's so popular.
Oh, Drago. Kill it. Yes, my child. Yes. Yes. My boy. Beat it.
Next, let's do Non-Press. Why are you running? You saw nothing. Oh, Drago won. Let's do Black Show next. Okay. I need more Metal Fight reference, babes. Well, okay, now let's do combo testing. So first combo is gonna be 660 low rush. And I should make some combos to battle against it really quick. Hold on. Okay, so these are the meta combos that we're gonna be battling against. This is Raw 960 ball, Chalk Edge 160 point, Drawn Buster 160 rush, Whale Wave 570 rush, Wyvern Hover 160 exit. Ooh, yeah, the puppy dog. And Gold Dragoon 560 elevate. This is a reminder of the combo for L Drago is 660 low rush. Okay, first let's do Gold Dragoon. 3 200. 4 points. One point for Dragoon. Another point for Dragoon. It's your first to 5 points, by the way. Next is what am I saying? Next, okay. No, this is the 5 points. Okay, another point for Dragoon, 4 points. Well, that's a 5-0. Next is Wyvern Hover, 160 Hexa. One point for Wyvern. Stop going on. was not cheating, like literally, like. Oh, now it stays on. It kept like falling off, like it wasn't going in all the way. Weird. So Dragon, I mean, Drago is in the lead. Tied. That's been still L Drago. At 3 points for Wyvern. Oh, jumped out. Oh, who's gonna win? L Drago's dying, but Wyvern scraped a little bit. But Wyvern wins with now at 4 points. Wyvern with the win again. Oh. Next is Shark Edge, 160 point. L Drago fell off the launcher again. KO, I guess. I go for knockout. Now, guys, I don't know if Shark Edge is still meta, but to me it is. Shark Edge is cool. What the fuck? Yeah, L Drago just disappeared from existence. What's L Drago body? That looks weird. Just went flying. Well, that's a knockout, so 4 points. Oh, no! Still one. L Drago gets the first one. With extreme finish. Next is the Whale Wave, 570 rush. Ooh. Double one how to chains here. The Whale Wave wins. 3, 2, 1, go. That's 3 points now. Damn it. Yes, I want L Drago to win, but I ain't gonna be like, guys, L Drago won. No, I ain't gonna be like that. Hold on, my sandwich wrong. Yummy. 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. That was a tie, right? Sorry, I was drinking and I just missed it. I'm sorry. I'm gonna say that's a tie. L Drago. Survivor. 4 points now. We don't Drago once. And I lost the third time. Next to Drunk Buster. 160 rush. That was a die. I thought the sticker was falling off. Bro, one of the stickers are already like chipping, bro. Like stickers, not like on the paint. I mean, actually, you mean like sticker, like right here, bro. Oh, we can get replacements in the future. Oh well. Well, they won one battle is against Shark Edge. The next Subay is the ultimate Wizard Rod 960 ball. 3, 2, 1, go shoot! Shoot! Oh, snipe that bitch. Three, two, one, go shoot! Why are you running? Why are you running? They have a crash open up. Two points for Wizard Rod. Well, it's at 2 points now. Okay, they are tired. Yeah, think fast, Coconuts. Oh my god, I'm done. Three points. It's out of good. A Wizard Rod with the... Okay, it's at 4 points now. Die, bitch. Find that hole. And it died. At least you got a knockout. That's cool. Stop falling on my hands. Well, there was the L Drago unboxing / test battles / just regular battles. Tell me in the comments if you want me to do any other battles with L Drago. But besides that, bye.